Gifted by my wife. Yo! Hello guys. So today I have received my order which I ordered on Amazon.in. So this is Samsung Galaxy M31, one of the mid-range phone which was launched quite back during the lockdown time. Why I prepared this M31, because this is budget friendly. I mean within less than 15k. If you go for the 31s or even 51, those are quite, I mean more than 15k and even more than 20k. So this is much better. I would say the pocket friendly phone, which offers you good features and with the similar tech spec which is currently available with the M31s and even 51s. Alright, so today I'm going to unbox this. Let's see what exactly it is inside the box. So I received this quite early morning today. Here it is. Alright, this is all pack M31 X00 something. M31. Let me tell you the price, which it cost me like around 13,499. No, 944, so around 14k. As I have Prime membership, so I got around 1500 cashback or discount. So let me get this out. Alright. Here it is. Wow. This is the charging cable, USB cable. Let's see what else in the box. So we have 15 volt adapter, 15 watt adapter. Oh, no manual guide, it seems. Is there anything else in the box? Nothing else. Looks like they have removed manual. Alright. What is in the box? This is the bill. Here it goes. So here is inject pin, and there are some manual documents. Start guide, original log guide, warranty card. Okay, all good. So let's keep this aside. Concentrate on the phone. So this is ocean blue, with kind of dark blue color. It looks slim and it's quite handy in the hand. I mean, you can carry it properly. So that's all about the unboxing. Once I get more information, I will give you more update. Thank you. Bye bye.